Welcome to the Arbutus Analyzer tutorial series. This tutorial will discuss how to use Arbutus Analyzer's Smart Search capabilities. To begin, simply navigate to the Smart Search area in the view and type in the value you wish to look for. I'll type in CAN and press enter. Immediately you can see a global filter has been applied, and this applies to any record where CAN was found in the view, regardless of whether it was character, numeric, or date. For record number 1, you'll notice that the CAN was found in the address field. For records 2 through 4, CAN was found in the country field. And in record number 5, CAN was found in the company name field. By default, Smart Search works on all of the fields in your view, and this applies to computed fields or even related fields. It doesn't have to just be the physical fields in this data file. Also, if you wanted to restrict the search to only apply to one field, all you need to do is select the field name in the view. As mentioned, Smart Search is a very quick and powerful way to scan through large volumes of data in your view very quickly. It applies, as I mentioned, to numeric and date information as well. I can go over to the orders table, go to the Smart Search area, and I'll just type in 81 and press enter. You can see here that the freight amount is $81.91 in this particular record. In record number 2, if I were to scroll a bit further over, we can see the address has an 81. That's why this one was found. If I wanted to find date information, I can just simply change the Smart Search criteria. I'll turn off the filter. I'll go back to Smart Search. I can type in 07/31 to check for all dates on July 31st. It pulls up a listing very quickly. If I wanted to, I could also add a second value, so I could search for all transactions that occurred on July 31st in the USA. When using multiple values, both entries have to be found along the same record. So in this case, the order date was July 31st of 96, 97, and the country code was USA. For additional features of Smart Search, please check the Arbutus Analyzer help or contact your local support representative.